Hey, the wagon's loaded, the fire is hot, and we got something special coming to y'all's TV. My name is Kent Rollins. I'm from Hollis, Oklahoma, and I'm a chuck wagon cook. I've done that for about nearly 38, 39 years, and I feed cowboys, and I try to feed them better than anybody else does. My mother had taught me to cook when I was 7, 8 years old. I loved to be in the kitchen and help her, but I got to thinking after I was guiding elk hunters that, there's a lot of ranches out there that need a good wagon cook, because a crew's gonna work better when they have a good cook. So I thought, I'm gonna buy a wagon, I'm gonna see what happens. Good Lord, he has blessed me, because a lot of good things have happened. I'd worked on both sides of the fire, from the cooking fire to the branding fires. Now, normally a cook doesn't have the opportunity what I'm gonna get to do today. This is gonna be like Christmas right here.
This is unwrapping Christmas right here.
Yes, it is.
Christmas in the summer.
Who doesn't like to have a power tool in the kitchen when you're cooking and it's got a beater attached to it? So, hey. 2 cups of cow juice. And for that of y'all that might not know what cow juice is, you'll figure it out before the episode's over, I think. Get all that broth and then all them onions. It's gonna be singing that song, and I mean, it's gonna be dynamite, I'm telling you about. Had an old man on a ranch told me many years ago, anybody fry meat and boil coffee. Can you make dessert and bread and cakes and pies? I can. Always learned the joy of cooking was watch other people eat it. See the smile on their face. They put in a hard day's work. We put in a great meal. It's like family coming together all the way around. This is a very special project that we've been working on over 7 years. There's been a lot of blood, sweat, smoke, and tears. So what is the concept of the show? It is to really put the spotlight on the American rancher and the American cowboy. And we're traveling to different ranches everywhere. And we get to showcase and highlight their family, their heritage, the way they raise beef, and we even get to cook some really great, amazing recipes that we're feeding cowboys and working crews. From the snow-capped mountains in Nevada to the swamps of Florida, we're gonna cover it all and showcase cowboys, food, life, and cattle. You see that old sun over sort of sinking down there. The cowboy's gonna be showing up pretty quick, so I gotta get it on the table, and I think it's ready. As we call them cowboys up because we're getting ready to eat, we all gather around out there in front of that old flag, and it's more than just that. We pay honor and tribute to all the servicemen and women and all the veterans that have kept that old flag a-flying over camp, no matter where we may be. So saddle up, we'd be proud for y'all to come with us, and it's only on the Outdoor Channel.